All right, ladies and gentlemen, let's go ahead and wrap up the show today. Had an interesting find on the chart. There's actually an inverted cup and handle on Bitcoin right there. So we take a look at that. Check out for that timestamp. While I'm looking at timestamps, we also talked about quite a few things today. We went into Bollinger Bands, talked about how those work. We talked about kind of a new theory that I have where there's a saying in the market that the market reverts to the mean. I think the market reverts to the trend, and that's a little bit about what happened last night with the drop off, reverting back to that kind of downtrend. And if this is an inverted cup and handle, then that could lead to a larger dropper sooner rather than later, and that would be reverting back to the trend for sure. We went deep into a cup and handle explanation with the psychology behind that. Apparently, half the UK government's quitting, and we did a look on 1999 versus today in the charts. Not a ton of similarities. A couple of things though that are of interest, but nothing too amazing on that one. But good show today. Long show today. Went about almost 2 hours. So definitely use the timestamps, ladies and gentlemen, if the things are interesting you more. Other than that, getting to more current market action, up and down, and then trying to go back up right now. Volumes remaining elevated right now, coming out of a long weekend where volume was a little bit lower yesterday. Oh, Nibble. Oh, yeah. Nibbles versus doing nothing. Yep, got that timestamp on there as well. Yeah, we talked about doing nothing in bear markets versus nibbling, and maybe even trying to try different trading styles and the best ways to go about that, because it's hard to not do anything in the markets for extended periods of time during these sell-offs. There's ways to do that are more effective than others, and we discussed those as well. So, but the more immediate market action, a lot of chop right now. We have some alerts around the market. We have alerts around the high and low in Bitcoin, adjusted alerts on Ethereum, and a lot of other tokens as well. Talked about a lot of good shorting opportunities today. There's about 3 or 4 good ones. Look like they're primed for some shorting opportunities. Look for low volume rallies for shorts. So yeah, waiting for those to break down, and not much to do until they do break down. Looks like we're getting a nice little counter trend rally here again, like we did a few weeks ago over here, and we'll see where this one stops. Volume's a little bit better, but not that exaggerated yet, although we are in a slight uptrend as shown here by this upward sloping trend line. So we'll see where that lands. We are definitely, I would argue, if we get past this 21.013, that may negate this inverted cup and handle, which could definitely put this downtrend into question. But until then, you have to remain with the bias of the market, which is the downtrend. So that's about it, guys. Check out the timestamps. Thanks for joining me, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye. Thank you for watching Bitcoin Today. Bitcoin Today is the wrap-up of our Power Hour, an analysis and educational service where we meet daily and go over market action. Members enjoy a daily newsletter with top charts, our daily hour live stream, alerts on coins at key price levels, several custom indicators, as well as our proprietary follow-through day system for identifying larger trends in Bitcoin and therefore crypto. The link is in the description. I'll see you in the next one.